Tomorrow is the birthday of Elvis Presley, and we're celebrating with a tropical tribute to the king. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Tomorrow is the birthday of the one and only Elvis Presley, one of the greatest entertainers of all time. And it's a cold January day, so we're taking our inspiration from his love of Hawaii and the films and concerts he shot there, starting with an infusion of mid-century tropical kitsch in liquid form. You've probably had a blue Hawaii cocktail or two in your day, but you haven't had Slice and Sand, inspired by the song from the film Blue Hawaii. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum, 1 ounce spiced rum, 1/2 ounce ginger liqueur, 1/2 ounce vanilla liqueur, 1/2 ounce pineapple juice, 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice, and 2 dashes of Bitter Truth Drops and Dashes Blossom Bitters. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and garnish with a cherry. It's the next best thing to being spanked on the beach by Elvis. I suspect Elvis enjoyed a slice or two of pineapple upside down cake in his day, and they also make excellent birthday cakes. Here's a recipe from the 1960 edition of the Better Homes and Gardens Dessert Cookbook, and they even give you permission to cut corners by using a yellow cake mix, freeing your time for more important things, like mixing another round of cocktails. To make this culinary masterpiece, all you do is melt 4 tablespoons of butter and pour into a 12-inch round cake pan. Add maraschino cherries, sprinkled generously with chopped walnuts, then brown sugar, then topped with drained crushed pineapple from a 20-ounce can. Prepare cake mix according to package directions, substituting pineapple juice for the milk. Pour into cake pan and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool for 10 minutes, carefully turn your cake onto a tray, and there you have it, a birthday cake fit for the king. At the Velveteen Lounge, we believe that Elvis's birthday is a holiday, and we therefore decorate for the occasion. Here's a look at some of our Elvis treasures. Happy birthday, Elvis! Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquored Up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.